It's always a really exciting challenge working with the chorus in any opera company. What's really great about the guys here is everyone's really up for it. We're getting them to do some really crazy, wild things, and everyone, I think, seems really excited by it. We're really lucky to have 8 fantastic dancers with us on the production, and part of the challenge and what we want to do is make them kind of seamlessly blend with the chorus, so we're not really sure where the dancers start and the chorus end, to kind of deliver really grand, big images and really fun moments of movement with the two groups fused together. I think the really exciting thing about working on a production like this, especially with the video, is that we can come in with maybe a preconceived idea of what a number might be and the story we want to tell, but I think we find naturally through the progression of rehearsals that this changes and alters, so we can be quite organic in that sense and really create stuff with the dancers, with the singers, with the chorus that will all complement each other.